Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Display or Developer Options. This gets you where Refresh controls live. Once in Developer Options, enable the toggle so you can access advanced display controls. Make sure you know the rate you want, 60, 90, or 120 Hz, because that choice balances smoothness versus battery drain. Also check whether the specific app has an in-app refresh setting, since some apps override system values. Now move to change the rate for the app or system. You now change the active refresh rate. Pick either the per app override in Settings or alter the global display refresh. Tap the desired value, for example, 120 Hz for maximum smoothness, and confirm. The system may prompt to restart the app. Once done, make sure to set your power mode to permit higher refresh rates, because battery saver profiles can clamp the value. If the app still uses the old rate, force stop and relaunch it so the new display timing takes effect immediately. You finish by restarting the app and checking how smooth animations and scrolling feel. This confirms the change worked. Make sure to monitor battery usage and device temperature for a short period, because higher Hz increases power draw. If you notice stutters, graphical glitches, or excessive battery drain, revert to the previous rate and clear the app cache. That often resolves conflicts. If issues persist, update the app or display drivers, or use the one troubleshooting tip. Temporarily lower the rate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.